Welcome to the channel. If you've ever gotten a link in WhatsApp on your PC and wanted to jump straight back to the exact message where it was shared, you're in luck. The latest WhatsApp update for desktop makes it super easy with a handy new feature. No more scrolling endlessly through chats today. I'll walk you through the simple steps to find any link and go right to its source message. Let's dive in. First, fire up the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure it's updated to the newest version so you have access to this feature. Once it's open, look at the left side menu. You'll spot a media icon there. It's usually the one that looks like an image or paperclip, right below your chats list. Give that a click. This opens up your media gallery showing all the photos, videos, documents, and yes, links you've received. Now, on the top row of tabs, select links. Boom. There they are, all the hyperlinks you've gotten across your conversations, neatly listed with previews and senders. Want to narrow it down? At the top of the links window, hit the sort icon. It looks like a filter or arrows. From the drop-down, pick others. This sorts them smartly, grouping miscellaneous links together so you can spot yours faster. Found the link you want? Right. Click directly on it. A little menu pops up and there it is. Go to message. Click that and WhatsApp whisks you straight back to the original chat with the message highlighted. It's that quick, no digging required. This update is a game changer for managing shared links, especially if you're dealing with tons of group chats or work convos. Pro tip, it works for all kinds of links, from websites to invites. If the link preview doesn't load, just refresh the app. There you have it, finding and jumping to message sources from links on WhatsApp PC, done in under a minute. Try it next time you're hunting for that one URL. Thanks for watching.